In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to activate voice chat here on Roblox so you can play with your friends efficiently, and I'm going to show you the fastest way, or in other words, a shortcut to get this done the fastest possible. So first things first, the very first thing you need to actually head straight into roblox.com website, okay, and then make sure you log in with your email address and your password, or in other words, with your account. This needs to be done here from the browser and not from the application. So here we are, this is my ID in here. Now the next thing I'm going to be doing in here is tap here on settings, right? So here we go, we're now in settings, and as you guys can see, I do not have my phone number verified yet. This is the very first step. We need to verify our phone number, okay? So simply tap here on add phone, and then simply type in your phone number in here. Let me quickly type in my phone number. And then once this is done, simply tap on continue, okay? And then two-step verification will start. You'll be able to receive a text message with a code on your email or phone number. Okay, so you just need to simply type in here that specific code. Okay, so in my case, this is the OTP code in here. Next up, simply tap here on verify, and then the process should start. Here we go. The very first verification was done to my email, and now we've got a verification being sent to my mobile number. Let me quickly type in my OTP in here. Here we go. Tap and continue, and now I've already verified my phone number. Okay, so now let me tap here on no, and let me tap now on done. Okay, so once you're done, you should be able to see verified on the email address as well as on your phone number. It should show verify as well. So once this is done, the next thing you need to do in here is to verify your age. Okay, this is very important in order for the process to be fast. So we're gonna tap here on verify my age. And then next up, it's gonna ask you to actually scan a specific QR code and then to continue this on your phone. Do not worry, simply tap here on begin verifying and prepare your government issued ID ready. So over here, you're gonna select the country of the ID that you're about to submit to Roblox. Next up, tap on select and then select which type of ID you're gonna submit, whether it's a national ID or a passport. Okay, so select one of this. In my case, I'll be going with passport, and then we've got in here an option to take a clear picture of your passport. Okay, so simply tap on continue on other device, and then you just need to scan this QR code with your phone in order to take a picture of your passport. Okay, so simply take your phone and then simply scan this QR code in here. Here we go. I'm already scanning it from my iPhone device, but if you've got an Android device, that's totally fine. Okay, now on your phone, simply continue the process by taking a picture of your passport through camera. Okay, simply take a picture of the front page, and then it's gonna take you a few seconds to upload that specific picture to roblox.com, and then it's gonna ask you to take a picture of yourself, so you need to take a selfie here real quick. Next up, the verification process will start real quick, and then you just need to wait for a couple more seconds. And here we go. Once the process is done, as you can see, I'm already done on my phone, and it says, congratulations, you're done. Thanks for verifying your identity. Simply tap here on done, and then Roblox has automatically updated the date of birth on your account to match your ID. Simply tap here on close. And once this is done, as you can see, let me quickly tap here on privacy and content. Next up, let me tap on communication, and boom, here we go. We now have the voice chat option in here, and all you need to do is simply tap here to toggle and enable the voice chat option. This is how easy it is to turn on voice chat. Now, next up, I would recommend you guys to hop into experience chat, tap on everyone, and then direct chat as well, tap on everyone. Go back, tap on party, tap on connections, and group party, tap on connections as well. Now, next up, last but not least, camera input. I would recommend you guys to turn it on as well. And here we go. I have just turned on voice chat here in less than 5 minutes on Roblox, and this is how easy it is. Now once this is on, you can now start communicating with your friends and enjoy Roblox the best way possible by exploring all of its features. Now if the steps mentioned didn't help fixing the problem that you've got, or if you simply want to make it even much faster, I would recommend you guys to hop straight here into the home page first, okay, by tapping here on home. And then over here, you're gonna scroll down all the way to the footer section down here, okay? So once you're here at the end of the page, you're going to tap here on help. There's a section known as help. So we're going to tap here once. Remember, you need to do this from your computer device. So once you're here, what we're gonna be doing in here is simply search for voice chat right here. Okay, so you're gonna tap voice chat, tap on enter, and then you're going to search for a section where you need help to turn on your voice chat feature in here. So for example, we've got in here how do I turn on voice chat? This is the one that you need to select real quick. So tap once on how to turn on voice chat. Of course, in normal scenarios, you would need to read these steps in here in order to turn it on, but we've already done that, right? So we're going to scroll down and then we're going to tap here on no. Okay, so where you're gonna see, was this article helpful, you're gonna tap here on no. Okay, so once you tap on no, you're going to tap here on need more help, contact support here. Tap once on contact support here, and next up you'll be brought to this form right here where you need to fill it out carefully and with the information of your Roblox account. So we've got in here username. You're gonna type in your username. Okay, so my username in my case, it's Papito, and then you've got 1900. Okay, and then we've got in here first name. Okay, you need to type in your first name. Let me go with Walter. So over here we're gonna type in our email address, which is in my case fixed by shaq@gmail.com. Next up, I need to confirm my email address. Okay, fixed by shaq@gmail.com. Next up, we need to actually describe the issue that we had. Okay, so what device are you having the problem on? I'm gonna be selecting PC real quick, and then I need to select here the type of the help that I need. Okay, so we'll be going with technical support. Okay, and then you need to describe in here. So you're gonna type something like, hello, I have recently submitted all the documentation required to verify my identity in order to activate the voice chat feature on Roblox. I am 18 plus and I wish to have the voice chat feature turned on so I can play in a much convenient way with my friends on Roblox. So you need to type something that looks like this, and then you're gonna tap here on continue to submit the specific request in here. So once you do this, this should speed up the process because they're gonna receive a ticket of a support and they are going to resolve your issue by activating your voice chat as soon as possible. Okay, it's not accepting me to tap on continue. This is because we've got in here a subcategory type. Okay, so I'll be going with specific experience issue. Okay, so they can give even much more attention to your case. Next up, simply tap on continue and this should work out in here. You're good to go. Okay, sometimes it asks you for a verification. Just tap on start puzzle and complete the verification in here. For example, match this angle. Just keep going next, next, next until you find the specific angle. Tap on submit and then you're good to go. Verification is done. They've proven that you're a human being and this should work for you. All you need to do is just wait for a couple more seconds and then you'll be getting a response from Roblox themselves. And then you're good to go. You can now play Roblox with your friends. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. If you have any doubt or any question, let me know down in the comment section below so I can get back to you as soon as possible. Enjoy playing Roblox with your friends and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.